If you're seeing the OneDrive error that says the file is open in another application, don't worry. This is a common issue, and it usually means something on your computer is still using that file in the background. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step, so you can get OneDrive syncing normally again. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your OneDrive folder in File Explorer and find the file that's causing the error. In many cases, the file is open in an app like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Photos, or Adobe Acrobat. If you already have that file open, save any changes you've made and close the program completely. Sometimes the app looks closed, but it's still running in the background, so make sure the file is fully exited. After that, wait a few seconds and check whether OneDrive starts syncing again. If the issue is still there, the next thing to do is close any background apps that may be holding the file open. Press Ctrl, Shift, and S on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Then go to the Processes tab and look through the list for any app that might be using the file. This could be a document editor, image viewer, PDF reader, or even a preview window you forgot was open. Once you find it, click the app and select End Task. After that, go back and check if the OneDrive error is gone. If OneDrive still refuses to move forward, pause and resume syncing. Click the OneDrive cloud icon in the system tray, then click the gear icon to open the settings menu. Choose Pause Syncing and wait about 1 minute. This gives OneDrive a chance to reset its connection and clear temporary file locks. After 1 minute, click Resume Syncing and see if the file begins syncing normally. If that doesn't fix it, restart OneDrive itself. Right-click the OneDrive cloud icon again and choose Quit OneDrive. This fully closes the sync client, which can remove stuck processes that are keeping the file locked. Then open the Start menu, search for OneDrive, and launch it again. Once it reloads, check whether the error message disappears and the file syncs the way it should. And if you're still having trouble, the final step is to restart your computer. This is often the quickest way to clear out stubborn background processes that Windows doesn't fully shut down. Before you restart, save any work in progress. Then click Start, select Power, and choose Restart. After your PC comes back on, open OneDrive again and check the file. In many cases, the error will be completely gone after a reboot. So, to recap, if OneDrive says a file is open in another application, the fix is usually to close the file, end any background app that's using it, pause and resume syncing, restart OneDrive, or restart your computer. These simple steps solve the problem in most cases without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.